Hello wonderful people, how are you doing? And in this video we are going to see something very interesting and that can save you a huge amount of time. And that is that if you have running a YouTube channel and let's say you have some quantity of videos, you might want to convert it into some blog post because this is the work that you have already done on your videos, right? So what you only need to do is just extract the text or the speech of your video and just convert it into a blog. This is a pretty straightforward video, just involves a couple of steps. So let's jump right in. So what you can do is just go to your YouTube channel and just play any video like I have done right now. And from here, just go down until you see the description right here. Just go to more and here you will find this option, show transcript. Now, some of the people don't find the option of the transcript. That's very simple. As you can see, this is the updated method. I am sharing this video on 26th of September 2024, as you can see it in my calendar. So up till this point, this is the method. You can extract the transcript of the YouTube video. Just let me do it again. Just restarted the video and just go to more in the description, and here you will find this show transcript option. So just click on that and you will see the transcript right here. Now there are timestamps included with this. So to remove that, just go to the three dots right here and click on toggle timestamps. Now what you can do is just simply copy and paste it in the Word document or your blog post and just customize that accordingly. So what we can do is just copy this now, the whole transcript, and that's it. Just go to Bard now or Gemini and paste it right here. Now you can see that the formatting is not very accurate. So we will not use only Bard for this. We will also ask it to summarize it into a blog post. I'll just simply write here, summarize this for blog post. And let's see the magic of it now. Let's click on submit. And you will notice that not only it corrects the formatting here, it has also amazingly arranged it into a simple blog post that you can use for your designs. And not only this, you can just simply download it into a Word document. That's because Gemini is connected to all the Google apps or Microsoft apps right here. So what you can do is just click on share and export, and you can simply draft it in email or export to docs. So it will create the document for you, and just open the doc and you see a complete short blog post that you can use in your blog post. Now, when you are in the blogger.com, what you can do is just insert an image, a video title or a video link to make it look more attractive, and that's it. This is how you can do it. Now you can check out my other video on how we can create a beautiful blog post. That's a part of a separate video. But in this video, we have generated a quick and easy tip how you can generate the content for the blog post. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.